Welcome to Child Moan TV, where we bring the facts to focus. Alright, guys, this is episode 2. The topic is seeding. Alright, guys, there's major steps in this process, so stay focused. Let's get started. Step 1. Step 1. You want to get your soil composite. You want to know your soil. Iowa State has a $5 kit. Get your soil sample, put it in the kit, send it in. They'll send you back a pamphlet, and it'll say what's in your soil, pH level, and other factors. Match that up with the grass seed, and you know what grass to apply to your soil for proper production. Step 2. Step 2, you want to get the grass seed that you've compared to your pamphlet. This is a crucial part. If you guys want to grow a great looking luscious lawn, you want to have the right grass matching to the right soil type. If you don't, this could be a disaster, ending up in brown looking grass. Step 3. Step 3, you want to prepare your bed. Now that you have grass seed, prepare the bed. Till it up, okay? Till it about a couple inches deep, okay? And then rake it and get all the clumps out of it. Once the clumps are out and the bed is nice and level and fine, you can move on to step 4. Step 4, spread your grass seed. When you spread your grass seed, you want to add a granular mix to it, like some sand. This will spread out the grass seed and lower the chances of overseeding. If you overseed an area, you'll have grasses fighting for nutrients, and that's not a great thing. Step 5. Step 5, you want to apply your starting mix fertilizer. This is a crucial part of the process due to the fact that if you don't have a starting mix fertilizer, you could potentially ruin your seed by adding too strong of a fertilizer. Also, guys, when you get this fertilizer, you want to get a fertilizer that activates by water, which leads in to step 6. Moisten the soil. Once you have your fertilizer and your seed in your bed ready, you want to moisten your soil, but not over water. Over water is when you have standing water above your grass seed. If this is done, this can potentially ruin your bed, wash away all the seed that you have, or drown your seed. These are huge no-nos in a proper bed when you're preparing a pop-up bed. Step 7. If you have access to it, great. If you don't, then I'm sorry. But laying straw. You want to lay a straw blanket down over your seed so that if it rains, it won't wash away your seed, and if people walk over it, they won't cause indents and pick up seed on the boot and have just a big indent in the grass seed. Also, your grass seed will grow through the straw, so no needing to tear it out. If you tear it out before the grass is done production, you will tear out your seed. So don't tear it out, just let it decay. Alright, guys, these are the 7 main steps to preparing a bed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye now.